Evaluation criteria for business and IT case analysis. Okay. In business plan there are 3 parts. In business and IT case there are 2 parts. First one is obviously report itself, which will consist 50% marks. Whenever if you see the case, actually case means they'll give you or they'll talk about one situation of the firm. Okay, they are not talking about overall everything of the firm. But as a participant, what you need to do? You have to know about the company. Must. You cannot do the analysis based on only 4-page information. You have to search, you have to find out the company, you have to get the information from the company, you have to get into details of the products and services, then you know about the company and you can analyze the case. So here, there are 4 things in your report. It should be focused. One is this company and business background. Every team will get one company, right? Every team in case you will get one company. So whenever you prepare a business plan, make sure you should inform about the company and business background. Although those information are not in the case analysis, right? Because case analysis never focus, never talk about the business itself. They only come up with the situation. So what you need to do, you need to learn about the company. That is the main purpose of case analysis. Okay? So you have to talk about company and business background. You have to talk about the industry itself, where the company actually belongs. It's very important. Okay, so your industry analysis should be there. Then you will go through the case and you will find out what they actually talk inside the case. What is the main point they want to focus inside the case. So based on that main point, you will analyze the case and you will come up with the result. Result means the result lies on the case actually. You can, if you read the case, you know what actually they want to show. You already know. So you have to find out the result from the case and you have to give the recommendation, because every case analysis they actually talk about some situation or some matter which is not solved yet. The problem lies on the case. So your main purpose, you have to find out those problems and you have to validate the problem and give the recommendation. That means how they can solve those problems, whatever actually lies on the case. Understand? So these 4 parts are main part for business case analysis for writing the report. So first 2 parts actually 20%, and second last 2 parts is 30% and 30%. Clear? After submission the report, obviously you have to go for presentation again. Again there are, you see, 10 points you have to cover. We have to evaluate on your presentation. From introduction, organization, use of transitions. Okay, use of transitions means the most critical part in case whenever you are going to present the phases. First phase, second phase, third phase, fourth phase. That means what information you talk first, what will be the second, what will be the third, what will be the fourth. Priority setup is very important. So whenever you are presenting, if your transition is not okay, like you talk about one part, phase 1, and suddenly you talk about phase 3, actually there will be something in between. What you miss or you want to talk later. Understand? That means you miss the steps. So if you miss the steps, that will affect your mark. Because case analysis, you should be very careful, because case analysis always goes with the steps and phases. Okay? Because whenever any situation occurs, like for example, if I tell you, you have a class at 9 o'clock. You are coming from your hostel, and on the way, you actually get hurt and you are injured and you have to go to hospital. Then after that you come to the class after half an hour. Now whenever you are going to explain, what you will explain at first? Do you explain when you are in the class at first, or you will explain when you start from the hostel? Obviously when you start from the hostel, right? That is the first phase. Second phase, you miss the class half an hour. That's not important. The important second phase is you got injured. So that is the second place you have to say. After that, what you will tell? The medical facilities. You go to hospital, what happened? Then you come to the class. So these are the steps by steps. So case, that is very important. Audio visual aids. obviously make sure whenever you prepare presentation, your presentation slides should consist the focus of the company itself. You cannot come up with any presentation slides, colorful or whatever it is, but no company reflection in the presentation slides cannot. Like I am presenting to you Business and IT Festival, I put my logo here. It's not very formal presentation, right? But why I put? Because that is the reflection what I am talking about. So whenever you talk about any company, make sure the company reflection will be here. Okay, that is actually an audio and visual aids. That is, you are showing something which has the reflection of the company. That is that company you are representing. Delivery style, obviously, topic, content. Don't talk so many things which is not relevant with your case. Okay, so you have to manage your time because of this. Topic, content is very important. Whatever you talk, it should match with the topic. Findings and conclusion, your whole teamwork, question and answers, and use of PowerPoint slides. Use of PowerPoint slides means, I want to say, like I am talking now, and someone is handling it. It's a very professional, not a very professional, casual professional. Actually, I need to have the pointer, presentation, presenter, right? So whenever you come, make sure you have the presenter with you. Don't put one person to change from keyboard. Okay, that means PowerPoint, use of PowerPoint should be very much efficient. You are talking something, but your background is showing something else. That's not okay again. So whenever you finish, whenever you're going to move on to another slide, then you change. Whenever you move on to another point, then you change. Okay, don't show everything together and some person is talking something and the background is something else. That's not a good thing. Okay, that will affect the mark also. So this part will consist 50%. So 50%, total 100%. Understand? Any question? Anything? Is it clear? It's not class, huh? You can ask me question. No question. Clear? Very good.